following video is a HAAS VF1 CNC Vertical Machining Center. We're going to run a brief demonstration today. First thing we'll do is we'll show your axes, starting with your x-axis. Next we'll show your A-axis, which is your fourth axis. You can see the rotation. We're going to start out the spindle at 1,000 RPM. Spindle's at 1,000 RPM. Next, we're going to step up to 2,500. Now we're going to go to 5,000. Lastly, 7,500 RPM. RPM. Again, the following video is a HAAS VF1 CNC Vertical Machining Center. The unit is new 2003.